All dreams face challenges. All creation confronts obstacles. Like you, we don't give up easily. In the age of Industry 4.0, Taiwan's smart machinery teams are working hard behind the scenes. We believe industrial clusters and mutual trust bring the best out of our partnerships. Sparking creativity and overcoming difficulties. Craftsmanship matters, bonding with the heart and soul while never forgetting our initial intention. To give people a better life, we plan meticulously and move ever forward. Humanity takes technology to new heights. Embrace change with the world to create a brighter future. Change the world with Taiwan Smart Machinery.